Okay, so now we're 3 weeks into the project. You can see how much of the icehouse we've actually unearthed. The structure behind us has been really uncovered, and it's a really unique opportunity to see the structure without its normal earth mound covering over it. The icehouse has probably only ever been uncovered to this extent a handful of times. The last time any work was done to it was in the 1990s. So at the moment we've got a really rare opportunity to see the structure as it was built without any of the earth covering it.
It appears that the lower courses of the tunnel are the original courses, and they were in a poor state of repair, which was why in the 1990s they decided to dismantle what was there and rebuild on top of the existing 2 or 3 courses. Its size doesn't really reflect on its importance of what an icehouse was. I mean, to be able to own an icehouse was the equivalent of showing all your power and status, you know, your flat screen TV, your Ferrari, something like that, because if you could invite important guests and your friends around for a meal, and in the height of the summer heat be able to produce ice dishes, ice creams, sorbets, things like that, you would have one over on your friends. You would show how powerful and wealthy you are.